Hey friends, this is Pastor Jay from Davao City, Philippines. Thanks for stopping by today. I just want to share something close to my heart, the love of Jesus. Life can feel heavy, filled with expectation, disappointment, and moments where we wonder if we're really enough. But here's the truth, Jesus' love isn't conditional. It doesn't change based on our performance or our mistake. His love is steady, unshakable, and personal. The Bible says in Romans 8 that nothing can separate us from the love of God. Not our failures, not our fear, not even death. That means right now, as you are, you're fully loved. For me, this has been life-changing. There were seasons I felt broken, ashamed, or lost, but I discovered that Jesus never turned away. He met me in the middle of my mess, and He offered forgiveness, peace, and hope. And here's the good news, that the same love is for you. No matter your story, no matter your past, He loves you today. You don't have to earn it. It is a gift. It's a precious love of God. If you are curious, just talk to Him. Pray honestly, read His Word, and let His love remind you that you are seen and known and cherished. You're loved by God. To God be the glory. God bless you, brother and sister.